Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Sukriti and if you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So, as I promised you all, I am here with a Q&A video answering few questions that you asked me, and I will make more Q&A videos because there are a lot of questions and I am actually very happy with the response and I don't want to miss out even a single question. Let's get started with this one. Okay, so the first question that I have is, are you a Pahari? Where are you from? Okay, so these are the two questions and I'm going to answer them together. Yes, I'm a Pahari. I am originally from Almora, Uttarakhand, so I'm from. Are you a YouTuber or any other job? No, I am only a YouTuber, no other job as such. Is YouTube a job? Well, I don't consider it one. Where have you shot this video? Is the background real? Yes, it is. It's a very beautiful temple, guys, and I know you all were asking me about this place. It is Katalma Sen Temple in Almora itself, Uttarakhand, and you must visit this place because it's even more beautiful when you see it in real life. Okay, so next question. How many years have you been dancing? Since the day I learned to walk or even stand, I have been dancing only. Because if that is the answer to your question, because I used to watch all these music videos on TV and then I used to mimic their steps even when I could barely stand. That's what my parents told me. Which gharana are you from? I am from Lucknow gharana. Are you planning to participate in any TV reality dance show? Why don't you do any reality show? No, I have not really planned to do one. Why? Because I never thought about it, but let's see if I do it someday. But you gotta support me if that happens. And to my surprise, there were a lot of questions like how you got that glowing skin, clear skin, and all those beauty related questions. Well, I don't have clear skin by the way, but I can surely share what works for me if you guys wanna know and how I maintain my skin and the glow. So yeah, let's talk about it. The first thing would be, it's very important, I think, it's drinking water, staying hydrated, okay? Second is taking adequate sleep, because when you sleep, your skin repairs, it heals, okay? So give it sufficient time to rejuvenate and you're gonna see the difference. Third is, very important, having a balanced diet. A diet which is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, all the nutrients and everything, and basically avoiding junk, you know. And I know it's quite hard to totally avoid it, but you can try, you know, we can try our level best. Fourth is having a good and consistent skincare routine and including vitamin C in your skincare regime. Because if you are looking for glowing and radiant skin, guys, trust me on this, vitamin C is the key. And lately I've realized that being an artist, a performer, it is very important for me to take care of my skin, my body, because that's what presents my art to the audience. And you know, Kathak mein bhi abhinay ka part hota hai Aharya, which is all about stage, appropriate lights, costume, makeup, basically presentation. And mere liye bhi presentation plays a very, very important role. And because I have to put a lot of makeup, a lot of times, and sometimes very, very heavy makeup for stage performances, my skin gets so dull that a good skincare routine is all what I need to get that glow back. And when I talk about glow, vitamin C is the first thing that pops on my mind. So for face wash, I use Mamaearth's Vitamin C face wash. It has vitamin C and turmeric in it. Wow, which I absolutely love, and it's so good for skin illumination. Even my mama loves it. And you know, it obviously gets rid of all the dirt, impurities and excess oil from the skin, leaving it even brighter and much more radiant after every wash. And at the same time, it retains moisture and is good for all the skin types. So if you are looking for an everyday kind of face wash, you can definitely try this. I would highly recommend you this one because it is an all-rounder. You can't deny it. Vitamin C fights sun damage and provides radiance. It also soothes and firms the skin. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, bringing out that natural glow while delaying premature aging. Aloe vera has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and skin healing properties which soothes and deeply moisturizes the skin while boosting the blood flow. Now the second product, which is the star of my skincare routine, is this Mama Earth's Vitamin C Sleeping Mask with Vitamin C and Aloe Vera. What a combo, guys. If you want your skin to glow overnight, this magical product makes it happen. And I personally believe that at night, our skin deserves some extra love and care. That extra moisture and hydration, which a normal moisturizer would never fulfill. Because like I told you, at night our skin repairs, it heals. And this restorative sleeping mask replenishes that lost radiance and even reduces the signs of aging, which is caused due to the skin's exposure to harmful UV rays, dirt, pollution, and all those harsh weather conditions which you can't really avoid. So what I generally do is I wash my face with this face wash and then I use this, especially a night before any important event or shoots, of course to get that radiance, and I use it a night after as well because my skin gets really dull after putting makeup and this helps it rejuvenate. And the best thing about this sleeping mask is it is free of any parabens, mineral oils and silicons. Vitamin C has high antioxidant and hydrating properties. Regular application reverses signs of aging, restores skin and even skin tone. Aloe vera is an antioxidant with soothing and cooling properties which helps in softening of the skin. Apart from all these products, Mama Earth's Vitamin C range also have a face mask, Skin Illuminate face serum, foaming face wash and a lot more. I totally love Mama Earth products in general, but this range is my absolute favorite. They have also launched this micellar water foaming makeup remover which has rose water and glycolic acid. This product has made my life so much easier. Now I don't need those 3-4 products to remove my makeup which used to take 15 minutes. Now it's just one product, 1 minute and my makeup is all gone. I'm not joking. It has this very soft silicone brush over here. You just need to pump the product out. It comes on the brush and then you remove your makeup with this, wash it off to squeaky clean skin in just 1 minute. Yes. Now you can clearly see how much I love all these products. I think you should also check them out. If you want these products or any other product of Mama Earth, you may get them from their official website mamaearth.in, also from Amazon and Nykaa. All these links are in the description box as well, so you make sure to check them out. And if you purchase any product from mamaearth.in, you can also avail 20% discount by using my code Sukriti2020. Mentioned here in the screen, note it down, and it is only applicable on mamaearth.in. Also just want to let you know that Mama Earth is certified cruelty free by PETA. All Mama Earth products are free of harmful chemicals and are made with natural ingredients. Mama Earth is also plastic positive. They recycle more plastic than they use, and all these reasons just add on to making Mama Earth as my favorite brand, and I'm sure everyone else's too. Now let's get back to the next question. Where do you live? I live in Noida, but I'm currently with my parents because of this lockdown. Do you have your own dance classes? No, I don't. But if you guys want me to start some online dance workshops, I can definitely think about that. Let me know. What is the secret behind an impressive classical dance performance? I think it's a nice question. And there is no secret as such. But I believe that there are a lot of aspects that should be taken care of. First and most important is practice, of course. Make sure the piece you're performing is well practiced, and all the points that I'm going to tell you are correlated, okay? So second would be confidence. Have that positive confidence within you. And if you have done a proper riyaz, confidence is a thing that comes along. And I know we get nervous and anxious at times. It's normal, it's very normal and natural, but being nervous and underconfident are two different things. And when you are underconfident or even confident, that will reflect in your performance no matter how much you try to hide it. Okay? Or fake it. Fake the confidence. And next point is, enjoy the whole process. Enjoy dancing, okay? See, you love it and you're getting to do it. So there is no reason not to. And if you are confident, you will enjoy every bit of it. And when that happens, everything falls into place. Expression, hand movements, footwork, everything. And you will rock the stage with grace. Next point is, I think it's presentation. Presentation as in, make sure the makeup, dress, jewelry, everything is appropriate to what you're performing. And also that your dress and everything is well tucked, okay, including your hair and jewelry, because you don't want it to move it from its place, okay, mid performance, that too, which is very, it doesn't look good. And I believe in having a clean and tidy look with good makeup and of course nice smile on the face. So I think that's it. These are the few things, that basic things that I keep in my mind. And yeah. Okay, next question. Next question is, what is your age and qualification? Okay, I don't consider it personal. So I'm gonna tell it. But I don't mind telling my age. I'm 20 and I'm pursuing graduation currently. Are you a self-trained dancer or learned dancing so well? Of course, I'm not a self-trained dancer. I have done professional Kathak courses and I still am learning under my gurus. Where do you buy your dresses from? Okay. I don't buy my dresses from anywhere particularly or from anywhere as such. It's me, of course, and my mama. We both just sit together and decide the whole theme of the video, my look and everything. We decide on that and then we design my dress, all the dresses. So we don't of course stitch it, but we design it and customize it basically. So yeah, it's just me and my mama. All the dresses that I'm wearing in my videos are designed by us. So, and yeah, if in future I wear any particular brand, I will definitely let you know. Who is your makeup artist? Okay, there is no makeup artist, guys. I do my own hair and makeup and everything for the video, of course. I like doing it by myself because I don't feel comfortable when someone else does my makeup. So I do it on my own and I like it. I like the whole process. It's very therapeutic. So yeah, these were all the questions I guess for this video, and I hope you have all enjoyed the video and I hope most of you have got your answers. But even if you haven't, please don't get upset because I'm gonna be making more Q&A videos like I said in the beginning, and I will try to answer all the questions. Till then, you like this video, share it and comment down below how you liked it, and if you have any more questions you may comment them down. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, please do that. I really love it when you do that. I feel so loved and I appreciate each and every follow and like and comment. So yeah.